who's not yellow. We're all happy with that. Yeah. Once you capture him, just imagine you were a red player, scum of the earth and all that sort of thing. Yeah, you've captured him, you keep tactile for him, so count that you've shot him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, he's now a prisoner. We've all got that. I'm going to lead him then to the Marshal who's got yellow armbands on him, who's walking the track. And you can give an idea where they're walking, because they're not going to walk anywhere difficult. They're going to walk round the tracks. I hand him over to the Marshal, then you'll turn around and say, either here's my dog tag or haha, I haven't got a dog tag. What will happen then is you'll go and bleed out to a regen point. Now if you're being taken there as a prisoner and you happen to notice that you're passing a domination flag, it's got your colour flying, and what's your colour for your domination flag? Green. Then you'll know that you only have to go back to that. If not, you're going to go back to your proper regen point, which is the one that's down that track, you know, over the little bend. Yeah. Just back off that, mate, so I don't hear it. Yeah. Hang on, mate. Yes, mate.
If you shoot someone and don't kill them, do they have a 2-minute bleed out?
Yeah, it's like anything. If you shoot someone and no one medics them, they still bleed out as per normal. Yeah, and that's part of your normal medic rule that's written on your map up here.
So part of the 60-second rule, you can also shoot the person, can't you, who's taking that your team member back.
So there you go. I'm taking you now down to hand your dog tag over. You turn up on the scene, pop out the trees and shoot me. Bang! I'm dead. Out comes my yellow flag. Can't have a tactile field now, can I? Because I'm dead. So after 60 seconds, if nobody comes up and medics this bloke, he's going to be walking off to a regen point, isn't he? Right. That makes sense?
Yeah. Can we medic him then?
Before the 60 seconds is up, yeah.
Right. Like, because if we kill you as you're taking him, can we heal him and then get you?
But he's already been captured by me, hasn't he?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because then I shoot you, so you're dead. Can I medic him or do you have to bleed out?
You've got 60 seconds to get to him.
Right.
If in 60 seconds you can medic him, awesome. Otherwise he's going to bleed out, isn't he? Right. The chance of you getting to him in 60 seconds? Not really going to happen, is it? Unless you turn around the corner and say, bang. Everyone happy with that? Does that make sense?
Yep.
Cool. There you go, Luke. What?
I'm up that way. Right. Because I'm up to the regen point.
Guys, we're just going to do a count. Guys, just be safe, we're just going to do a count. So what we're going to do is just want to all raise your hands. When I point you, lower your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 including myself.
Where are you going?
I'm afraid I'm not going to get the 1 minute regen.
I'll follow you then.
So, someone going that way.
Now this one is the buffer zone, so they can't shoot you in this buffer zone. So remember that where I said about the other side of that hole? Yeah, it's the game area. So if you look here,
You won't want to have a flag there.
So our actual regen's behind that, whatever your VCB or whatever.
Yeah.
You know where that hill was?
Yeah, we just dived over, yeah. Yeah, I know where it is.
Oh, I don't.
Yeah, that was the best.
Yeah, we'll follow you, lads.
So half team up there, half team up there.
Yeah, half team go right, half team go left.
There's several domination flags up there anyway.
Wherever the people are going to the right hand side, they'll be on the most.
Are we all still on channel 6 radios?
Yeah, we're still on channel 6.
Yeah, like in A and B, don't we? Like 6A, 6B.
Yeah. I need to get some better radios. Yeah, they're alright. Yeah, no, that's what I mean.
Right, you ready?
What radios you got?
Which team is
Just to reiterate, guys.
Listen, fellas.
Just to reiterate, guys, if I set up the game here, we're in the buffer zone here. You know the bit where you unload to come out the game?
Yeah.
There's the pole there.
Alright,
okay. Your map, draws a line across that way and all the way around there. Once you cross that pole, you're in the game. This side of it, you're not. So if you're having to come back at all, you want to start things like demarking at this point. Reds are regenning over there. Okay? Alright. They can't open up on you until they get into the game area.
Alright, okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Same way you can't shoot them until they're in the game area. Everyone happy with that?
Yeah. That's how we blockers.
Where are they spawning from now?
Their start point's out there somewhere.
Do you know what this road?
Where we are?
No. But we've got to hang around in the open. Alright, Jamie, when you are.
What's happening, lads? That way, we're going this way. So,
George, where are you going?
We're going in there and sitting in the trenches and waiting for people. Just like,
Where are you going?
Camp outside a regen. Pisses them off something.
I was
I was just going to say, remember there is a domination flag on the island, but I'm not sure how often that'd be used.
I wouldn't even think about the island.
Yeah,
How good do you think about walking out there in this heat?
no.
Nobody's going to want to do that.
I'm just saying, if they go for it, they could spawn off it and come back up here. So.
I don't think it's going to be even contested.
Yeah, fair enough.
Unless, for some reason, we all end up down there.
Yeah.
Now, I'd like to be in this woodland here.
Anyway, there's going to be a few of us run up to the VCP to get that. So
Yeah, of course.
what I think is going to happen is most people are going to walk off into here and then shoot up. Most of us are going to go sprint
across
up there.
the landing as well.
Yeah. So I think realistically, we're all going to come up here and this way across the landing zone, and then the Reds will come the other way.
You got first casualty? We lost someone already?
You might have forgotten something.
Are you taking our team down that road? Or what are you doing?
you ready, guys?
I think a lot of people are going to camp around the spawn flags, get them as they spawn.
Game on! Game on!
Where are you? Dennis behind you.
You can see him moving along that road. This road coming this way.
Oh yeah, I can see him moving over there.
Yeah.
Legged it.
Roger that.
Goes on line. Then I've got 2, 20 on 12. I'm on the left flank. Call that.
Two guys just on the ridge.
Yeah, see him.
There's one sat on the ridge there, I think.
Yeah, there is, I can see him.
Just his head poking up.
See his head on the body?
Oh, him over there, yeah.
Yeah, he's right to my 12 and I can see his
I think this forward small ridge, there's no one behind it. The two behind it were retreated. Back to the one behind that.
There's no point popping smoke, is there?
No. I watched out, there's about 3 people over there as well. So you are 2.
One just gone straight into the bushes to my right.
Yeah.
Right to 2 o'clock and gone into the bushes to the right.
I'm going to move up to that ridge. Alright? I'm going to move up to this ridge.
12 o'clock.
Cover me while I'll run to this bridge. Right?
Yeah.
Bridge. Moving!
Down there, aren't they?
Heads!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where is he?
Far right, far left. One sec.
Hey!
Anyone got pyro? They're going for a medic, they're going for a medic.
Yeah, he's got this.
Yeah, they're going for a medic! You see his head poke up where I'm firing?
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Head!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, we've got guys.
Alright lads, watch the flankers.
He's gone back down and he's a medic.
Over there, over there.
Yeah.
Can we get some reinforcements?
That one's sold, he's got a flag up. Yellow's coming.
Heads!
Oh, John, there's fucking...
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, you've got to be careful, right?
That's it. Someone needs to move up. You move up, I'll give you cover.
You have to be careful with that. Oh, it's takes them to pop off. Yeah, no shit.
Anyone got pyro?
I was just going to say that if I had a ball grenade, I could probably launch it over there. No,
You're fucking shite with ball grenades. Give me it. I'll
no,
fucking get
that's when aiming for a fucking window.
You see where I'm firing? There's about 2 there. They might have flanked back round under the bridge.
I think more through Roman right.
Right, when they start firing, charge this ridge. Watch out for them.
Oh god, we got on our right flank and all.
Yeah. Right, we're going to run there when they start firing, right?
They're gonna give it, who's putting suppressing fire down?
Them. Suppress fire there! Right, let's go. 1 sec.
Medic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Cheers, boss.
On the side of the fucking pond, isn't he?
Watch out, Shep's just behind this ridge as well. Got one of them.
Where's the flagpole? What do you want to do? Move out or?
Yeah, I'd say move down here. There's one in that bush, confirmed. The 3 guys there, Shep and the other 2, they've moved up, retreated. So I'm saying move up down there.
Got one in there.
Yeah. We've got 3 over there.
We've got 3 to our right.
No, the 3 to our right's retreated to about 50 metres.
There's some over there where the Marshal is now, just left of the Marshal.
So we're going to get flanked now, aren't we?
Yeah.
I think that's what they're trying to do.
This one just kept in that bush there.
Alright.
Guys.
You 2. If you can suppress whoever's there, we'll move up around here.
We've got a guy in that bush, right to our 12 though.
Alright. What I'm thinking is, someone suppress that bush, the rest of us will run there and flank right around the back of him.
Move to the right.
Right, Steve, right. I'll run up first and try to flank round him. You suppress him.
I'll read the tank.
Right. Let's go. Hit! Fuck!
Contact in the middle of the pond and on the right hand side, sorry, of the pond, over.
That's the ear gone.
Look at that. Two yellows moving up onto the ridge into the pond. There's people down at the pond over.
Coward, get over here. Yes, thank you. Good job.
Right in the ear, AJ.
Sorry.
It's alright.
I think it was the guy that
Either one, it was right there.
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah.
Well done, lads.
Here we go. Let's take one yellow back to...
Right.
Fellas, come and pick up these 2 yellow guys and get their dog tags. Guys, get the dog tags.
Can they get us while we're taking them?
Take that one.
Can they get us while we're taking them?
No.
Whereabouts is our guy?
You have to medic him.
Hey.
You have to medic us.
He's already done us.
Yeah, but you let go of you.
He's shooting at us,
There's guys shooting at us from there.
but the guy's shooting at us though.
Let's go.
Is that the phone?
There's reds over there. Let's go this way. Blue, leave it. Come on.
Take them that way, fellas.
There's guys shooting us that way. There's nobody shooting at us. Yeah. Out of the forest.
Yeah.
Oh shit, sorry. I thought they were our guys. You need the convention, boys. I want feeding and watering.
Got to heal me again, you let go.
Don't we, lads? We want feeding and watering.
Walk over this way, you know. Swim out in the You're lucky. I got to 38.
Yeah, follow that guy.
You got 22 seconds out of fucked off. In fact, I turned around and shot you. Oh, I don't think you can. It's bleed out, isn't it? God damn it.
I'd rather take a bullet than be taken prisoner.
Same. But again, we did take bullets. That's why we're prisoners.
Technically we're dead, so you're just taking dead bodies away.
How much you pay for babysitting then? I'll double it. Let's go.
I'll give you a beer. I will say no more about it.
My sleeping tablets you can have.
I've got a reputation in case.
Medic me again.
Bullshit, it wasn't a minute. It's got to be a minute.
You let go.
Not for a minute though, come on.
No. Come on. You let go. I get to count to a minute.
Do we want to just like...
Right, if we keep the if we keep them here, they're not going anywhere, and sooner or later the Marshal will
Now they're going to keep us here.
Right, the only trouble is,
It's going to be a fucking... You've got to keep hold of us off.
over there.
Every single one of us.
One person, one thing there. They could come through these. One person, one prisoner. They want to put them on side of this.
You were far to keep hold of us, then us down.
If you've got a prisoner, take it back to where we started.
We have names.
Oh great, we're off for a walk now.
I could find a shaded area.
We're not different.
I'll take it back.
No, wait. We're going back the way we
Do you
came?
want to take this person then?
Yeah, you take him.
Okay, cool.
Ben, I'm all alone at the main regen river. All alone in the tree line.
Wham.
Right, this one on the left. This one on the right.
Who is it?
And the two behind you will fuck you.
If I pull this pin, they'll run.
Real live ordnance here, guys.
Bit warm.
Can't believe it. I engaged the firefight with empty mag.
Why the hell would you do that?
That's what that's called.
Yeah, it's empty.
Yeah, it was empty.
It'd be better if it was jammed. It's a good excuse.
Anybody?
What are we doing?
Is that a red Marshal, guys?
Yeah, we've got 4 here that want to give us the dog tags.
You can just hold me on the shoulder. Just hold me on the shoulder.
I'm going to get him up eventually.
Just like that. Don't worry about grabbing.
He's working on it.
Where's fucking Chuck Norris when you need him?
So that'll be a soon. Lone wolf.
Expendables too.
Yeah, that's it, mate.
I work better alone.
Quality.
They're doing a third one, aren't they?
I don't know.
Yes!
That one.
There's no one else left, is there? I think they've used every ultimate action hero there is.
I think they have.
Hey, look, there's a couple of our
Give
guys.
us a shout when you see a red Marshal, yeah?
Ow.
Sorry.
I can't think of any extras now.
Can I sit in the shade?
Yeah, find some shade, guys.
You you've got to treat the prisoners right.
Yeah, do you need a convention in that? Food, water, bags, come on lads.
Blanket. I can't roll one, so I've got one hand on in. Shovels.
I think we're in a bit of a shit spot here. The yellow's coming that way. Yellow respawns there and yellow's up there.
Yeah,
That sounds good.
we're just waiting for the
Yeah,
marshal.
sounds like
Go that
a
way.
plan.
Making me feel good.
Go that way.
Are you sure? Because some of these guys are saying that we're taking fire from the end of the ridge.
Who said that?
He's gone off with
Yeah.
2 or 3 players.
I've been up there fighting the ridge.
Yeah?
There's one like I left up there and overwatching the ridge.
I think it's just
Put that way, because they've got too much cover to assault us here. We need to get out so we can see where the enemy are coming from. Down there.
Yeah.
Hey man, I think they could be coming around now. That's been hit, so...
Oi, 3 of ours been captured.
Hey?
3 of ours got captured.
Yeah? There's a marshal along here, is that?
Yeah, Luke's somewhere up where he is.
The thing is, when I had it on,
Crimp them a bit more.
never,
Crimp them in a bit more and make them tighter on the
well,
bottom.
you've got a crimping machine out there, have you? You got that?
I don't have a multi-tool. I can do everything with a multi-tool. But I don't want to. I can make burger and chips with a multi-tool.
That's impressive.
Oh god. It's all red.
You don't run as much as me. You're old and slow. Can't even put it on now. The belt's too tight.
Not how much is it? It's quite funny. Your failure is amusing.
Yeah.
I don't know your name, mate, sorry. George, just come and hold this, lad. Good.
You like chips?
You are shot.
You resting your arm? Oh, I feel even fucking worse now.
Right.
Awesome.
Got us a little prisoner war camp going on here, boys.
I'm thinking about putting up some
All we need is a
wire in a
couple of
minute.
yellows.
Yeah, come on, Rambo.
A couple of yellows and that's it.
Yeah, where's our Rambo?
To be fair, so are we. We just get pelted ourselves.
Oh yeah, it hurt.
I could do with a grenade right now.
Just suicide bomb it.
Yeah, fucking sorry lads.
You can imagine if I just came sizzling over now.
Just like hit me on the head, right next to me. Is that actually a real grenade? Not a real grenade, but does it work?
Yeah, but
Gas charger.
if
Did it charge?
you start taking
Yeah, just
fire
gas
and it
mask.
looks
Oh,
like
I thought it
you're
was,
gonna pull back, even if we've got to let a couple
Grenade.
of these go, after 60 seconds they're going to be gone. At least we don't want to get captured, do we? So the worst that can happen. Yeah, we're going to abuse them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They'll want to stay then. Actually, I think. Yeah.
I like it dry.
It's not bad this being captured. I think quite
Stand in the shade.
Probably straight away.
I'm not going to run away, don't worry.
I'm the same prison. I've got a pretty mouth.
Guys, we've got Reds taken down on this side, about 40 metres.
These yellows are coming. They're coming, boys. They're coming.
Coming for us, lads.
Here come the cavalry.
Warms up the mission. Run right.
Black Hawks.
Hey, if it's not the rest of the team, they shoot us.
Vulcans on the blade.
Yeah. No,
Get a patchy come in.
back our down. We're going to back our down.
And an RPG goes up.
And then the entire mission gets fucked.
Yeah, that'll be the guy that fell out the helicopter, is it?
Yeah, Blackburn. Where is he? Fucking first fight out in the fucking front line, that's it, he gets killed. Oh, fucking injured. I put it in my, I've got a little hook on my actual trousers. I put it through that to give it more stability. If I lose it, you've only lost the whole thing.
Oh, if I pushed up here, I was across the road. And if I pushed up, I would have been the Rambo.
I was just standing there and you were just like,
Yeah, I was trying to make you think that was on the thing.
No, he didn't see you, mate.
He looked at me and started trying to shoot me. I was like,
Yeah, alright.
and then he started walking over. I was like, yeah, all right then.
Anyone got any tea or biscuits or?
Unfortunately.
It's actually meant to go onto your chest rig because it's got the molly loops.
Oh, yeah.
It's supposed to be molly back to you.
Oh, I should have won. You're fucking big, you know. Sweat like this. Fuck alright, but at least I had a hanging poke. Live and let die.